Good morning, guys. So share Zoom meeting also to the people.
Zoom meeting link is already done, shared.
Hey guys, good evening. Sorry. Hey guys, good morning everyone. How are you all?
Good morning, Indra.
Good morning, Anadit.
Good morning guys. Let's
Good
wait for
morning.
people to join. Meanwhile, guys, if you have any doubt, you guys can go ahead. This will be the second last preview session, so use this opportunity to interact.
So, hi, sir. So, I'm joining from today. I have watched for two videos, but haven't received a third recording session. I don't know, so where it will.
Okay, so Nawaz, it will be in YouTube also and it will be in portal also. So how you got the first two videos basically?
In the group itself, in the WhatsApp group.
Yes. Yeah, team will reach out to you. Guys, can you please make note of it? Satish, Sucharta.
Sure, sir. We will make a note and we'll share. Yeah.
Yeah, cool. And guys, you are able to see QR codes on the screen. So the QR code on the left hand side, this is our WhatsApp group where you will be receiving the updates for KSR Power Platform Developer with Copilot and AI course. And the QR code on the top right corner, that is our website QR code. And we have our in-house interview tool, which will help you in preparation of interviews. Then that is in the corner bottom right corner, AI interview hub. So you guys can go ahead, scan these QR codes and explore the things. Okay. And
It's
guys,
uploaded in website, the last previous recording.
yeah, those will be there in the website. If you go to free sessions, it will be there.
Yes, it is there.
Yes. Cool. And yeah, anyone else, anything that you want to discuss? And guys, you can see on the website itself, I have added the dataset also. So you can go ahead and download and start using it. Okay.
Where you add that, Indra?
Tushar, like it will be present in your batch. So uh, let me show you in the course content. I'm not sure like how the interface will look like for you, but it will be in the website itself. I
Okay.
think you have already enrolled, right? Tushar, no, it's Anirudh, I guess. Guys, how it works? Like Satish, would you like to tell the people like how they will be able to download? I have added it in the course content, the data set.
Satish is not available, sir. So,
Yeah, whoever is here from KSR team, can you please help? Like how people will be able to download it will be available there. How it will be in their interface basically.
yeah, just give me a second, sir. I'll open it here.
Yeah, guys, we will guide you how you will be able to do that. Okay, cool. What else? And guys, there will be one new thing that we will be adding. So me and Mahesh were discussing yesterday. So basically what, okay, who's this? Cool, guys. It seems people are still joining. I will tell you guys, but let's wait. Yeah, Nawaz, you have something? Nawaz, you have something to discuss? Okay, cool. So guys, any doubt in the previous class or any generic doubt that you have, you guys can go ahead. We will start in 2 to 3 minutes.
Indra, you are saying something like you are discussing with Mahesh.
Yeah, so I was about to announce that. So basically what we has observed in the previous sessions, in the previous batches, what I used to do, I used to take the interview sessions at the end. Okay. We used to
Mm-hmm.
discuss all the interview questions of entire Power Platform batch, interview questions and scenario at the end of the course.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So at that time, what happened? Like it happens with me also. Okay. I enrolled in one of the online course for this data structures and algorithm. So what used to happen because at the end of the course, people are little tentative. Okay. People may join or not because of various reasons. Might be some has backlogs, right? Might be someone is working on projects. So at the end, people used to skip those sessions, the interview question sessions. So
Mm-hmm.
then now make it more effective, what we will do is at the end anyway we will discuss the questions and scenarios, but other than that what we will be doing, I will go ahead and I will add one more session at the end of each module. Like suppose your Power BI is getting completed, once Power BI is done, we will go ahead and we will take one session where we will discuss all the interview questions related to Power BI, and you guys can go ahead and you guys can answer and we will define the process. Okay, and then once everything is done, every module is done, so then in last again we will have 3 to 4 sessions where you can go ahead, you can get your CVs reviewed from me, right? You prepare your CV, get it reviewed from me, so where I can give you like feedback and all. Anyway, we have a dedicated team also which will do that, but I will also help you in that, like getting your CV prepared as per the Power Platform developer. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I guess this is a good approach, Indra, because when we are connected and we are in touch with that particular module, so it is very relatable to get that questions but get remind, right?
Yeah, yeah. Basically, it is both ways. Like previously, what my mindset was when we added it at the end, so
Hmm.
that you can understand like where you, what to say,
Hmm.
where you are standing at that point of time. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is also good, but there like the attendance was little low, so I just observed this concern. So I think we will be going ahead and we will be doing that, starting with your batch.
Yes, I
Okay.
think this is the good approach.
Yes. Again, like whatever gives good results, we will follow that.
Yes, yes.
Again, like there will be few more sessions, but like that's fine. Cool.
Yes.
Indra, do we have the course plan document like that? So if that having means you can share it in the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, we do have a 80 days plan that people can share
Mm-hmm.
with you. The
Okay.
like the brochure they will be sharing with you, our team. Okay. Guys, please
Okay.
make note of it. Send it to Veronica also, the plan. Team is already in the call. They will obviously reach out to you. Okay.
Thanks, Indra.
Yeah, we'll post today everything in the group also.
Yes.
Sir, right now I'm checking that, but I think document is the Excel file is not visible, sir. So I'll check and I'll
I
manually
have
share the
I
file.
have added it in the. Can I share my screen and show you where I have added so
Sure,
that
sir.
then you will. Yes,
Otherwise,
cool.
otherwise I'll manually share the file with everyone in the group.
Yeah, you can share it manually also. That is fine.
Sure, sir.
So I started editing it here. So this is the batch. I think few people already enrolled. So this is the batch, right? That we are starting now. So here I have added in the data sets, Power BI data sets.
Okay, okay. I'll check and share it across to everyone, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. At least the people who are already in this batch might be they will be able to see. Let me show you what they are.
Indra, we haven't enrolled here actually.
Okay, that's fine then. Like he will share it in the group. So you
Okay.
can go ahead and use it. So once you guys will enroll, you will be able to use that. Fine?
Yes.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, hi Indra, good morning. I'm not a part of, I think, in WhatsApp group also.
Okay, so when the like he was sharing a QR code at the beginning, so you
So that
can
one, we need to, yeah, sure, sure.
yeah, you can scan that and it will
Okay,
be
I'll
there
do
in the
that.
recording also, like once you will see it. So you can
Mm-hmm.
scan and you can get added.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay, cool. What else, guys?
Hi Indrajit. Yesterday
Hi,
I
Shweta.
have gone through the brochure, but in placement section, most of the guys got in data analyst or BI developer. I haven't seen any of the guy got job in Power Platform or Power Apps. Haven't you mentioned
Yeah,
here or?
Shweta, like that is basically issue at our end. So the brochure when it was prepared, like at that time, like KSR was not having Power Platform course. Okay, so it is not updated. So if you go to LinkedIn or somewhere, you will be able to find the people who got the job from Power Platform. So I will get in touch with the content team today itself and we will get it updated so that like people are not having this kind of doubt. This is very genuine doubt. Like even if I were the student at your place, I should have also got this doubt. But recently also like people got placed. Actually, I don't have the history of the chat because it got deleted from my phone because they changed it. So I can't show you now, but I will definitely make sure like people will be you will be getting the details.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Is this course recently started in this?
Not recently, this is the seventh or eighth batch, but we don't have that logs.
Okay.
Okay, in the brochure. Gopi, are you there in the call? Guys, who is here from the KSR team? Like, can you please tell me your name so that
Malay, sir.
Mali, right? Mali, like, do you have the logs? Like the people who got placed from Power Platform?
We should have, sir, but right now not exactly available. So if we can share across in the group, sir.
Yeah, please do that.
Yeah,
Like,
sure.
so that people are not getting this kind of concerns. So,
Okay,
Shweta,
perfect.
like, I can tell you few names that I remember on the top of my head who got placed and the percentage of hike that they got. There was a guy called as Chaitanya, okay, in the morning batch itself. I think that was that was March 2024 morning batch. He got placed into five organizations in US. Okay. Then in India, there are a lot of people who got placements. There was a guy called as Arman. Recently, there was a guy who got placed into Deloitte. There was a lady called as Koteshwari. She got placed into Microsoft. Then there were few other people that I can remember, and all of these got almost 100% hike in Power Platform. So I will get in touch with team and get all these testimonials added. We have reviews also. We have this thing posted in KSR Datavision, a LinkedIn post also. But the issue is what happens like people are not ready to. We are getting placements, but people are not ready to reveal their name and all, post and all, right? So that is again an issue. So sometimes it is there, but we do have good placements.
Yeah, I understood.
Yeah.
Thank
Again,
you.
this placements and all, I told you guys yesterday also that is the step one. You know what is step zero? Were you there in yesterday's class?
Yeah.
Shweta, were you there?
Yeah,
Yeah, so you know what is step zero?
practice from our side.
Yeah, because in Power Platform placements and all that you will definitely get. If you are good at what you are saying that you know, you will definitely get a job because there are lots of openings in the market currently. People are looking for Power Platform developers, the quality Power Platform developers. If you have that thing, you will be able to crack that. Okay,
Okay.
fine, cool. Okay. Anyone else? Any doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt. So I haven't watched for the recording session 3. If I watch this, is it shall I can relate, or do I need to watch first recording 3, then it will be helpful?
Yeah, Nawaz, like these recording sessions, the first three sessions are, I would say, very basic in nature. In first session, we discussed what is Power Platform, where we will be helping you in Power Platform journey. Okay. Second session was a Power BI walkthrough session where I make you guys familiar with the Power BI. Third session was mostly doubt session only, and then we discussed little bit about data modeling. And now this is the fourth session that we will be discussing today. Okay. It is basic in nature. You can go ahead through the recordings. If you feel something you are not able to understand, you can go ahead, make a note of it, and discuss with me in the next class. Okay?
Yes.
Cool, guys.
Hmm. Indra,
Yeah,
that
Pranita.
dataset is there in the website, but I am not able to, download. I am not able to download. Is that have any restrictions or not?
Okay. I am not sure about that. Is it in yeah, are you enrolled student? Have you already enrolled?
I just signed up just now.
Okay. Might be like the people who have updated, they have not let people allow the download. I will go ahead
Hmm.
and I will sort that issue. Meanwhile, you can use it from the WhatsApp group. We will be sharing it in the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, okay, sure. Thank you.
Sir, I found the guys, feedback who got the jobs, and we successfully made a post in the LinkedIn. Can I share my screen for a bit?
Yeah, yeah, please do that. So that,
Yeah, I think, yeah, sure. Let me share
yeah,
my screen.
so that I don't need to justify it with words.
Yeah,
Okay. Go ahead, please.
sure. So let me know you are able to see my screen.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Shweta, are you able to see?
Here I got the two posts for you. One, she got 100% hike as a Power Platform developer. The another person got 150% hike. So
Yeah.
we are not mentioning the companies completely. The reason for the confidential, but if you see some of them are ready to mention.
Yes. So basically, these two people, let me tell you a backstory. So Koteshwari was from evening batch. She was working at somewhere around, I would say, in the single digit CTC. She got 150% hike, and this is the teamware solution, and she is working directly in Microsoft Office. So I was in touch with her. Then other thing, Monisha, she was a morning batch student. She was working as a senior developer, and she switched into a delivery lead role into equity knowledge partners. And there are a lot many peoples, guys, like who got placed. Even I don't remember all the names on my what to say on my tips.
So we'll post more post in the WhatsApp group. Guys, you'll get to know that. Yeah.
Yes, sure. Recently, a guy got placed into Deloitte with 110% hike.
Thanks for sharing, Indra.
Yes. Cool. And this is very genuine thing also, guys. Like the people, Mali, we can go ahead, we can connect and discuss, and you guys can share the brochure with me. Let me see what is there that we are sharing with the people. Okay,
Sure, sir. Yeah.
cool. Fine. Cool, guys. Let's get started. Let's get started with the session and then we can discuss other doubts that you may have. Okay. So, guys, welcome back to KSR Datavision. This is the fourth free preview session of the Power Platform with Copilot and AI batch. And this will be the morning batch that you will be already knowing. And we have already started working on our first module, which is Power BI. So what we will be discussing today is I will be introducing you to the DAX again, like now for next 2 to 3 sessions, we will be discussing DAX, the calculations using DAX, what is DAX, and then I will be introducing you to the conditional column feature in Power BI. Okay, so I will bust all the myths around DAX.
Okay, Indra.
Cool. I'm opening the Power BI report, guys. Just a sec, let it open. I know you will be having a lot of doubt. DAX is very, what to say, dangerous, right? Is it? How we will do it? We will simplify it for you guys. This is the report that we were working on. Okay. So now, guys, let's discuss the business now. And this was our data set that we loaded, laptop sales detail, right?
Yes.
Now, guys, here what we need to do. Guys, suppose we are creating a Power BI report, right? So there I want to have a column, I want to have a filter which will tell me, okay, the product is how much rated, like whether it is less rated, more rated, or it is ignored by people, right? The rating people has not given it at all, or it is average. So I want to derive that logic. Suppose I am your client, I am saying, okay, guys, what we need to do, if the rating is less than 2000, then that means the product is less rated. Okay, if it is between 2000 to 5000, that means average, right? If it is more than 5000, that means most loved, right? If it is zero, so then that means ignored. Getting me what I'm saying?
Yes.
Let me try to write it here also in words so that you're able to understand it much better. Okay. My business logic is as a customer that if a product has ratings 1 to 2000, 2000 to 5000, 5000 plus, and 0. If it is 0, then that means the product is ignored by people, right? Then if it has more than 5000 plus ratings or reviews, most loved, right? If it is between 2000 to 5000, that means you can say average response, right? So if it is 1 to 2000, we can say needs improvement. Getting it? What the logic is? Guys?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Indra.
So now
Yes.
we all are a team, right? We are working on a project. So if I, being a client, I'm saying I want this to be shown in the Power BI report. Okay. I don't want to play with the ratings. If I know already if it needs improvement, that means the rating must be in 1 to 2000, right? If it is average, then that means it will be between 2000 to 5000. If it is most love, that means it will be between 5000 plus, right? So now how you will implement it, guys? What are your ideas around it? Forget about Power BI, forget about anything and everything. If you were the developer or you were the computer, how you would have calculated it?
So we basically, if in terms of the Excel, we can be able to use the if condition or like that. If formula.
Again, very good. Like you are trying to relate it with Excel, that's fine. But I don't want to hear any technical terms. Excel, if, and all. Just tell me the logic.
Comparisons, conditionals.
Can we split the columns 1 to 2000 is needs improvement and 2 to 5000 is average? Can we do separate?
So
Splitting
How
filter.
columns.
how splitting the column will help you will be able to split the column. We are interested in rows, right? Like one, two, three, four. First thing
Yes.
first, guys, is the requirement clear to each one of you?
Yeah, requirement is clear.
What about others? Give me a quick yes, guys, if it is clear.
Yes, it's clear.
Yes.
Yeah, yes, yes. Yes.
Okay. So it is very important to understand the requirement. That is very, I would say, the critical phase. So now you once you have the destination clear, so now there are different ways to approach the destination, right? So tell me those ways.
Sorting.
Sorting. Okay. So how sorting will help, Siva?
Ascending or descending.
Okay. Then after that, how you will be able to do this bifurcation? Like whether it is in need improvement bucket or whether it is in average bucket.
So
Yes, yes, guys, keep on thinking. There is no right, no wrong answer for this. I
So
just want you to build the critical thinking. That's what.
We need to create groups like 1 to 2000, for example, like this. And first group need
Okay.
to be given need event.
Okay. Good. Keep on telling your approaches, guys, until I'm not asking you to stop. Okay. That's fine. Yeah, Vinay, you have something?
Yeah, Andra. Without using, like as you said, without using any technical terms or something, need not to use any conditions, or in that way we can go and copy paste the data 1 to 2,000 rows, and we can copy and then we can update as it needs improvement, and same as 2,000 to 5,000 as average, and then 5,000 plus rows for most loved, kind of.
Okay, that's fine. So basically, when I say without using this thing technical terms, that means I'm expecting you can tell me the brute force approach, the brutest of all approaches. So that means the very basic logical thing, right? So
Yes.
how you can explain it to me? You can simply say, I will go to this row, I will create a column, right? And there I will say if it is zero, then it is what?
Ignored.
Ignored, right?
Ignored.
If it is one, then it is what?
Need improvement.
Needs improvement.
improvement.
Needs improvement, right? This is very basic logical answer, right? Isn't it? Let me try to write the table here. So suppose you have lot of columns that you already have, right? Product ID, you have ratings, you have reviews, and now you are trying to create a column which is called as category, right? So now product ID, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ratings 0, 55, 950, 5004, 5450, and 3000, right? And then review, suppose 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, right? Now category, guys, this column you will be calculating on the basis of rating, right?
Rating.
So it is very simple. You will see for first row. What is the rating?
Zero.
Ignored.
Zero.
Zero.
Ignored.
So what you will
Ignored.
write here?
Ignored.
Ignored.
Ignored, isn't it? If it is 55, what you will write here?
Needs
Need
improvement.
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 Needs
Needs
improvement.
improvement. 950 needs
Same.
improvement.
Needs improvement.
5450
Most loved.
Most
Most
low.
loved.
most loved. 3000
Average.
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 average, right? This is how you will be doing if you were computer, isn't
Yes.
it?
Correct.
So now you have to let your machine or Power BI do this thing automatically. Now that we will figure out, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it making sense to each one of you?
Yes.
Yes, Indra.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yes, Indra.
Now, do you need to do any sorting here, or do you need to go ahead and do some splitting here? No, right? You can split
No.
the column. You can split the column like this. Like suppose you want to split here 5, 5 and all, but you can't split the rows. We have to perform the operation for each row, right? For each row, we are checking the value and then we are adding it here in the category.
Yes.
So now every one of you are able to relate to this. What I was expecting. I want you to explain me like this in simple words. That's what I'm expecting. Nothing much, nothing more. Okay, cool. Now we will figure out how we will implement it. So guys, there are two ways to implement it. First way is very, I would say low code, no code way. You don't have to write even a single line of expression. You can simply go back to the data query mode. So to navigate back to the data query mode, just click on the table, right click on edit query. Okay. So now guys, after clicking on edit query, what you need to do is, okay, why it is opening this November 2025 evening morning batch. That's fine. Cool. Edit query. So here you have a something called as columns creation, right? You remember something called as conditional column, guys? When I was giving you the walkthrough, there was option called as
Yeah.
conditional column.
Yes.
Can someone tell me in which window it is there? In which menu?
I think in the add column.
Transform.
Add column.
Very good. In add column, you have a column called as conditional column, right? Click on conditional column and see what is there. What should be a column name, guys?
Category.
Category.
Yeah, you can name it as category, right? So we want to calculate on top of which column? The business logic that I explained.
Ratings.
Ratings, are you guys sure?
Yes. Ratings.
Yes.
Guys, be confident. Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Rating only.
Ratings.
Yes. Ratings only.
Very good. So it will be on ratings, right? So what will be the logic?
Yes.
We just discussed, right?
Rating. Yeah.
Ratings.
If column ratings
Column rating is greater.
equals, these are the operations, equals, does not equals, is greater than equals to, is less than, or is less than equals to, right?
Yes.
So
Is
what should be
greater
the
than
first
equals.
condition, guys?
Equals to 0.
Equals to 0.
Very good. If it is equals to 0, then it will be what?
Ignore.
No.
Ignored.
Ignored. Very good, guys. You guys are killing it now. That's fine. Now, add clause. Ratings. Now, what will be the next thing? What should be the next condition?
Less than or equals to 2000 or 8.
Very good. Equals to 2000, right? Is it correct condition, guys?
Yes.
Less
No.
than or equal
Less
to
than equals to.
2000.
Less than equals to. Less than equal to 2000.
Very good. Less than or equals to, right? 2000. What should be the value?
Needs improvement.
Needs improvement.
Yes.
Needs improvement. Okay. What else? Now, what will be the next condition?
Is greater than or equal to
5,000.
No, less than equals to.
Yeah, tell me. Someone is
It's
saying
great
greater than or equals to, someone is saying less than or equals to. What you?
is greater than or equal to 5000.
greater than or equal to, I think.
Okay,
Less
greater than
than
equals to
equal to
5000, right?
5000.
Yes.
This is what you guys are saying. Okay. So the people who are saying greater than or equals to 5000, I have already added the condition. So the people who are not saying greater than equals to 5,000, what is your take and why?
Indra, I'm saying less than or equal to because we already covered the 0 to 2000 and 2000. 0 to 2000 we already covered. So we have to put less than or equal to 5,000 so that we can cover 2000 to 5,000 in that condition. And
Very good.
above 5,000 there
Right.
is another one condition.
Very good. So guys, now are you able to understand what he's saying?
Yes.
Yes.
Basically, in this condition, we are skipping 2000 to 5,000, right? So if your value is 2500, what will be the output? Is it
Average.
is it equals to
Uh,
0? 2500 is
No.
equals to 0?
No.
No, right? This condition is not satisfying. Is less than or equals to 2000?
No.
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 2500. It is not getting satisfied. Is it greater than or equals to 5000?
No.
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 So now it will jump here in the else clause, right? Isn't
Yes.
it?
Yeah. Yes, Indra.
So guys, are you missing
Again.
something here? So you can simply say less than equals to 5000. If it is anything else, then that means nothing. We are covering 0 also. We ratings can't be negative, right? Can you have negative ratings?
No.
No, right? So if nothing is getting satisfied, then obviously the number is more than 5000, right? So you can simply say here it is
Most loved.
other than that, it is most loved, right?
Yes.
And here you can say average.
Average. Yes.
Let me create the column and then let's backtrack. Let me try to move it in front of categories, in front of the rating, right?
Yes.
Look, guys, if rating is 7, what should be the output?
Needs
Needs
improvement.
improvement.
Need improvement.
If it is 1805, if it is
Needs improvement.
6977, most
Most
loved. Is
loved.
it correct?
Yes.
Yes.
4029 average, correct?
Yes.
0 ignored, correct or not?
Yes.
Correct.
It is,
Correct.
right? So, how it is working? Let me backtrack once again for you. Okay, let me open the logic that we added. Now, guys, if the value is 6500, so how it will work? It will go in the first condition, it will check rating is equals to 6500, true or false?
False.
False, right? Correct,
Mm.
guys? Agree? It is false,
Yes.
right? So now,
Yes.
if it is false, it will check the next condition. Rating is less than or equals to 2000. Is it true or false? 6500. So
False.
we
False.
are taking the example as 6500. Okay. So now it will check 6500 is less than or equals to 5000. True or false?
False.
False, right? Now
False.
everything is false. It will go to the else condition. It will print most loved. Okay. Now similarly, suppose guys you have the rating for a particular row as 1500. 1500 is equals to 0. True or false?
False.
False.
False, right? It will check the other condition. 1500 is less than or equals to 2000. Is it true or false?
True.
It is true. So then it will add the needs improvement and break. It will not check the next condition. Okay. Getting it, guys?
Yes, yes, good.
Yeah. Yes.
It is very critical to ignore, add the conditions properly. Let me try to make one change. Now, guys, tell me if the value is 0, what should be the what will be the output in this case?
Needs improvement.
Ignore.
Very good. Let's see what is the output.
So order of the if also matters.
Let's see what is the output. Guys, what is happening? In 0, it is giving us needs improvement. Why not ignored?
The condition was changed.
No,
Because it's
condition was
taken
not
the
changed.
first
Condition is already
order,
there, right?
Order of the condition is changed.
So basically, it is working as expected only, right? That's what I explained. Like if condition is getting satisfied, it will break. It will not check the next condition, isn't it? That's what I explained,
Yeah.
right? 0 is less than 2000. It's true. That's what, that's where our execution will stop, isn't it?
Yes.
So it is very critical to arrange these conditions in the correct way. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Getting it, guys?
Yes, Indra.
So guys, this is how you can create the conditional column without writing a single line of expression, everything with UI. Cool. Anirudh, you have something?
no, sorry.
Fine, that's fine. So now guys, this is how you can create the column. Now there are few other columns also that you can create. You can create an index column. Index column is what? Index column is nothing but a primary key column if you want to add. So you can go ahead, create an index column also. You can start the index from 0, you can start the index from 1, or you can add the custom index, right? So let me start a index column 1. So here it will go ahead and it will add index column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9, 10. Okay. I hope all of you know what index is.
Yes, Indra.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
similar like
Yes.
serial
And
number method.
serial number, right? Very good. So how you can add the custom serial number or custom index? You can click on custom. You can simply tell here. Okay. Do I have something at the end? Yeah, that's fine. Let me get rid of this. Custom index. How to add custom index? Click on this. Custom. Starting index. Suppose you want to start the index from 1000 and you want to increment with 1 or 2. So then this is how it will be created. 1000, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, like this. Clear, guys?
Yeah.
What are index column? How to create it?
One question in Indra, like it is showing uh, can start from 0 as well. So what are those conditions where we need to start from 0?
Look, index column will only be required when you don't have any primary key.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So if you don't have any primary key, you can go ahead and create an index column. So in some cases, index starts from 0. In some cases, index starts from 1. So if you are just creating it for your, what to say, just to identify the row uniquely, you can start it from 0 or 1. That does not matter.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So if you are starting it from 0 and if you are trying to basically do the sum of index, so then 0 will have no value, right? So
Mm-hmm.
then there will be always one less number,
Yeah.
right? So if you are planning to sum the indexes, so then you should start it from 1. If just you are using it for counting, or you are going ahead and using it only to give the unique, I would say the primary key your rows, per
Mm-hmm.
key to your rows, so then you can go ahead and start it from 0 or 1. That does not matter.
Okay. Okay.
I hope you got it right.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So basically, it totally depends on the business logic that you are planning to implement.
Okay. Sure. Yeah.
Sir, sorry, I don't think. Sir, can we able to generate that random number through index? But if it is any
No, you can't. This is index. Index means the what to say, the numbers which are unique for each row. Okay, you know the concept of primary key, guys. Primary key.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
All
Yes.
of you know.
We know actually, but if you explain, would be better.
Okay, so guys, primary key is nothing. Primary key is the key column which will help you uniquely identify a row. This is the definition, and that you will find everywhere in the internet also, right? So let me try to make it very simpler for you. So what will be the primary key for you guys who are all there in the class? Can your name be your primary key?
Enrollment
Yes.
ID.
Your
Like a
mobile number
student
ID.
ID.
Student ID.
We don't have student ID yet, right? You are not enrolled students.
Or
It will
mobile
be
number.
Name.
Name only.
Name.
Name only, right? Now
yeah.
what if like there are five Tushar in the class? I will
Mobile
say
number.
Tushar.
Maybe participants
Name with
name.
initial.
Mobile
Sorry.
number.
Email ID or mobile number.
Mobile number.
Right. So basically, there should not be any ambiguity. What ambiguous situation is? When I will say Tushar, if there are five Tushar, like they will be in doubt. Like which Tushar, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Right, guys. So now
Primary key
if
should
I
be
will go
unique,
ahead
no?
and
Indra?
sorry. Go ahead, please.
Primary key should be unique, right?
Unique, right? Correct. So now Tushar, we can't have the first name or last name as a primary key, right? It may clash.
Correct.
So now, guys, if I will go ahead and if I will collect your cell phone numbers, can any two of you have same cell phone numbers?
No.
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 So if I will say, let's call this guy 123498876 mobile number. Suppose it's Sunita's number. So is there any chance like it will go to some other Sunita?
No.
No, right?
Yes.
So this is what primary column means, which will help you uniquely identify a row or the information.
Okay, got it.
Are you guys able to relate what is primary
Yes.
key?
Yes.
Cool. Very good. Now this is how the index column can be created. So if you want to duplicate a column, then that is very simple, right? You can click on here and duplicate, and same thing can be done from here also. So clear with these three options, guys, what happens? What they are here for? Okay.
Condition.
So now you can go ahead and you can Power BI is a very intelligent tool which can learn from examples also. Okay. So if you want to create a column from example, you can use it. So it will create a column here. So it will say, okay, I will create a column which will say odd and even index. Okay. So 1000. Is it odd or even? Everything is even only here.
Even.
Right. So let us try to make something out of it. Let us try to make something logical. Okay, that's fine. Let us go first thing first. Let me, instead of incrementing with 2, let me increment with 1 so that we have both the numbers, even and odd also. And then let's see whether it is able to understand the logic on its own or not. I will say column from example. It will add a column. Even, odd. Even. Look, it is automatically trying to create something here, right? Odd. Now it is saying like you might be trying to add it from here. You might be trying to say if product name is this and this, then even else false. No, we it is still not able to figure out. Even, Odd. So now it is saying, okay, you might be doing it for this. You might be doing for rating, right? Are you able to see? It is guessing it on its own.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Even so, you have to keep on doing it until it is not able to guess it correctly. Okay. Or what you can do, you can unselect the columns that you don't want to use. I want to use index only. Like I want it to think on only index. So as of now, it is thinking on all the columns, right? So that's why it is also taking a lot of, I would say, permutation and combination. You can unselect other columns that you don't want it to think on. Let me unselect this also. So now the moment you are unchecking it, so then it will not think on this column. So as of now, it is saying it is trying to figure out, right? On the basis of product name, also on the basis of product ID, also the entire logic. So let me get rid of description also. I don't want it to think on description also. So I want it to think on only one column, which is our index.
Index.
In Indra, why you are adding manually, like even
No,
add
no, I am not adding manually. This means column from example. You will let your Power BI know that this is how it will be done, then it will automatically figure out the logic. Okay, for few rows, you will let it know, and then it will calculate it for all the rows.
Okay.
Getting it?
Okay, yeah. So the remaining all came automatically?
Yeah, here you can say it is coming automatically, right?
Oh, yeah.
This is odd. This is a way of doing it. It may help, it might not. It might be very tedious, but I want to show you what are the capabilities that Power BI have. Okay, there are many other optimal ways to do it. Look, it is still not able to figure out, right? So this is how this column from examples will work. So at least you know now, right? How it works, what it is. Is it clear, guys? You guys can play with it.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Cool. I'll cancel it for now and we will do it. Yeah. So now next thing is custom column. So you can write your custom Power FX expression and do it. So here the thing that you will be using will be Power M query. That is little tedious thing and that does not have that much functionalities. So if you want to write any what to say custom functionality using expression, so then DAX is the recommended way to do it. But if you want to write in the here, so then you can write the Power M query. So let me try to write a very simple thing where I will try to concatenate two columns. Okay. So I will simply say custom column example. Okay. I will simply say custom column only. That's fine. So might be I will try to add product ID and I will try to combine product ID with
Product name.
product name you want to combine.
Yes.
That's fine. Here you go. Is it combined? Product ID and product name, guys.
Yes.
So this is the code that I have written here, the expression that I have written here. This is Power M query. Okay. So it is a little tedious thing, not very powerful. So if you want to learn more about Power Query formula, go ahead, click on this. It will go ahead and open a Microsoft link where you will be able to learn about the Power Query editor formulas. But all these things you guys can go ahead and you can implement with the help of DAX in no time. And it will from here you will not be able to implement the advanced logic. Okay, clear? When I say advanced logic, I will be telling you in few minutes what will be the advanced logic, where you will not be able to implement with conditional column or any of the columns which is available here. Is it clear, guys, all these options, what it means?
Yes,
Can I
Indra.
go ahead and load the data now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool. Close and apply. Here you go. Your category column is added, right? Your custom column is also here. Now, guys, next thing. Now, suppose my requirement is I want to calculate the category on the basis of combination of columns. Okay, I will say what is my next logic or next requirement that I would like to give it to you as your valuable client. I will club one thing very logical. Okay. What we have now, we have, if it is zero, what it is, the category?
Ignored.
Ignored.
Ignored, right? Come on, I want to filter it, but it has some other plans. So guys, I want to make it ignored only when okay. So guys, reviews are zero, but we have ratings, right? Isn't it?
Yes. We have some
Yes.
ratings.
Like all of you are attending Power BI course, the this Power BI batch now, right? Power BI first module. But you may or may not give us reviews, isn't it? You might only give us rating, but may not give us reviews, isn't it? All of you will not go ahead in the Google and write a review for us, isn't it?
Yes.
So now I will tweak the logic a bit. So what will be my updated logic? Now instead of ratings, I will try to calculate the category on the basis of reviews. First thing first, I will have the same logic. If it is zero, then it will be. Tell me, guys, what was for zero?
Ignored. Ignored.
Ignored, right? 0 to 2000. Sorry, 1 to 2000
Needs improvement.
needs improvement. 2000 to 5000
Average.
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 average. Very good. Next, 5000 plus
Most
Most
loved.
loved.
most loved. Now, guys, as a client, I want to make your life little, I would say, disturbed. So how I will disturb it? Guys, please be on mute. There is some background noise coming from your end. So I will say your product should be marked as ignored only when review is zero and rating is also zero. Okay, rating should also be zero. If your review is zero and rating is five, then what should be the output? It should not be marked as ignored. Not ignored. If both are zero, review is also zero, rating is also zero, then only it should be ignored. Getting the logic, getting the requirement.
Yes.
Yes.
Is it clear to each one of you?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So now, guys, you know already conditional column. Will you be able to achieve it with conditional column?
So before that, we need the reviews data, right, sir? In the column.
Yes.
Reviews data is there in the data set, right? Don't you have review column?
We have.
Yes, we
Yes,
have.
we have review.
Yes, sir.
You
I
do
can check.
have, right? So guys, in conditional column, if you have observed, we can write the condition on only one column, right? Or you can
Yes.
go ahead and write review and then rating. But for reviews, if you will go, it will add for not ignored, then it will check for rating, then it will do it again. It will be again an ambiguous situation, right? Your logic is not stable, isn't it? Right,
Yes.
guys?
Yes.
Are you able
Yeah.
to relate what I am saying?
Only one column based we can create in conditional column.
Yeah, if you
Yes.
have to do it, you have to add two lines, right? In one, you will check ratings, rows.
Yes.
So if it is zero, if review is zero, so what will be the value for this? If you're using only conditional columns, it will check review zero. Okay, it will add ignored. If it is five, then it will add other thing, isn't it? Guys, are you able
Yes.
to relate? First thing first, requirement clear to each one of you. What I'm trying to say, what I am expecting from you as a client.
Uh,
Yeah, requirement is
no,
clear.
Yes.
no, Indra. Please explain
I,
once.
Okay, fine. So my requirement is this thing is clear. If it is zero, it should be ignored. If it is 1 to 2000, it should be marked as needs improvement. If it is 2000 to 5000, it should be marked as average. If it is be 5000 plus, then it should be most loved. Is it clear up to this point, Tushar?
Yes, we are talking about reviews, not rating, right?
Not ratings. I changed the column now. Instead of
Yes,
reviews, instead of rating, now I'm talking about reviews.
yes,
And reviews is this column.
yes,
Okay, this is reviews column.
yes,
Now, the thing is, although the reviews is zero, but this has some ratings. Like this product has zero reviews, but it has seven ratings.
correct.
Okay. Now, what is the catch? I want you to go ahead, check for reviews. If reviews is zero, I want you to go ahead and check for ratings. If ratings is also zero, then only mark it as ignored, otherwise leave it.
Or otherwise, no need to mention not ignored. Just leave it.
Yeah, leave it for now. Otherwise, leave it for now. Blank.
Okay. Okay.
We will decide what to mark it. So basically, for this row, 0 and 0, it will be marked as removed. For 0 and 7, our logic will ignore. Tushar, are you able to get it now?
Yeah, yes, yes, yes.
Right? Now, guys, tell me your approaches. What you are able to think for now. I explained it I think I explained it already, like how you will be doing it uh, in brute force type. But still, I want you to tell me so that I can understand whether you guys got the question or not.
In this case, we will combine two columns. Combine means we have to check between two columns. Like if there is review, if review is zero and rating is uh, 1 to 2000. Okay, in that case, we can mention it as ignored.
Very good.
Okay, and if there is um, if there is a like we did somewhere before this, so we
Where we
can do
did
that.
Tushar?
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. Go ahead, please.
uh, I'm not getting the exactly.
Cool. So, guys, that is fine. I'm not expecting you to give me the answers, correct answers, right? I'm just expecting you to interact, right? And that you're doing it correctly. Yeah, Ida, you have something?
Yes, I think we need to create a custom column between review and rating.
Very good.
Yes.
Because with conditional column, it is not possible, right? With conditional column, index column, you can't do it, isn't it? So
Yes.
now, guys, I will introduce you to something called as custom columns. So custom columns you can create and you will be writing expressions with the help of DAX. Now DAX stands for, anyone knows? What does DAX
Data
stand for?
analysis
Data
expression.
analysis
Data
expression.
analysis expression.
Data analysis expression, right? So as name says, it is not a programming language. It is not a very heavy coding that you have to do. It is expression, right? Formulas, or you can say tags. D for data, A for analysis, X for expression. Clear? It has some formulas. Like I would say, like if you're already familiar with Excel like formulas it will have. You just go ahead, write the formula, give the argument, and it will work. Now, next question. Do we need to go ahead and remember every formula? The short answer is no. What you
No.
have to do, you just
Practice.
have to figure out the logic that we are figuring it out, right? We just figured out a logic for a column, isn't it?
Yes, but how to do
Yes.
it?
Yes.
That with the help of the business problem itself. So I am trying to ask you something, right? What I'm saying, zero, review zero, then it will
Right.
be ignored.
Ignore.
Zero to 2000, 1 to 2000
Needs
needs
some
improvement. 2000 to 5000
average.
average. 5000 to
Most
Most
loved.
loved.
most loved, right? Now, how to figure out the logic, like which functions you will be using? You are able to see the pattern here itself, right? I'm saying if
If conditions.
if the reviews is equals to zero, then this. Otherwise, check this. This will be the output. Check this. This will be the output. Check this. This will be the output. Right? Right, Adam?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So this is how basically you will be going ahead and you will be checking. Although it is very simple scenario that we are covering today, that is just a if statement. But this is how we will be building the foundation. Okay.
Yes, Indra.
So now I tweaked the requirement, right? So I tweaked the requirement. What I said you have to check ratings also. It should be ignored only when it is reviews also zero and rating also zero. So now obviously you have to check both, right? Reviews and rating. So now you have to figure out like how to check the two conditions in if statement,
You can
isn't it?
use and
And
operator
conditions
like that.
and
Right. But I don't know how to write if. I don't know how if works. But I know it is like if statement that I will be using. So now how to see the syntax and all, you guys can go ahead and bookmark this. DAX MS Docs. It will open the documentation from Microsoft. And here you will get every function. Okay. Now you can simply search here, find by title. You say if, you will get all the DAX function which has if, date difference, bit left shift, bit right shift, if. Here you go. So you will be getting every explanation here, how if works, what is the syntax and all. If logical test, like the testing that you want to do, what will be the value if it is true? What will be the value if it is false? And here you will be getting examples also. Okay. Let me go ahead and write a very simple if statement and let's see how it works. Let us try to add the same logic on the index column that we were trying to implement with the help of column from example, right? So what was the logic, guys? I was trying to calculate whether it is odd or even index, right?
Yes.
So when you can say a number is odd or even, guys? Odd, even. When you can say a number is even?
Number divided by 2, if it is result is 0, then it is even.
Divided by 2?
Yeah, no, the number divided index number divided by 2. If you're getting result 0, then it is even, else odd.
Okay. The result that you're talking about, what you're talking about? Quotient or reminder?
Reminder.
Okay, let me challenge your thought. 4 divided by 2. What is the result?
2.
Is it 0?
0.
No.
No, it's 2.
Then it's an odd number?
Even.
No, even.
As per your theory, it is, right? You are saying if it is divided by 2 is equals to 0, then even, otherwise odd, isn't it? And that means there is some flaw in our approach, right? Right, Nawaz?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Now you tell me what should be the correct thing. What should be the logic, guys, to calculate even or odd number? Anyone?
The number should be divisible completely by 2 and remainder should be 0. That is the
Okay.
even.
When you say completely divisible, what do you mean? That means nothing. That
What?
means your
Yeah.
reminder should be 0, isn't
Yes,
it?
yes. Yeah.
If you say 5050 divided by 2, your quotient is 25 and your reminder is 0. If your reminder is 0, then that means it's even. If your reminder is 1, that means it's odd, isn't it? Right, guys?
Yes.
That's what the logic is. So now we have to implement that logic. So how to implement that? So guys, to calculate the reminder in Power BI, in DAX, you have a function called as mod, MOD. MOD. Here you go. Returns the reminder after a number is divided by divisor, right? Let me show you first how does mod work. I will write mod, then it will say, okay, give me the number that you want to divide. What I want to divide, guys?
Index.
Very good. Index. Now, this is the laptop sales detail data, that is table name, and this is the column name. So Power BI always uses two-part naming. Two-part naming means like first thing will be the table name and then the column name in that table. Okay. Now it should be, I will be dividing it with 2, right?
2.
Let's see what it is returning. What it is returning, guys? It is returning the reminder. 1001 divided by 2, the remainder is 1. 1010 divided by 2, remainder is 0. Now, guys, if it is 1, what we have to say? Is it even or odd?
Or
Odd.
All right. So you will be using if
if
statement. You will say if this function will return with 0, then it is
even
even. So
if
here
it's
you will be getting this thing, result if true. Like if this expression is true, if it is equals to 0, what should be the result?
even
Even. And
else
if it is false, then it will be odd,
or
Odd.
right? Here you go. So guys, this is how you will be writing the expression using DAX. We have written a very basic DAX formula. Is it clear how DAX works?
Yes.
Now, how it is
Yes.
getting executed, guys? It is going ahead for every row. It is checking 1001. The value is 1. That means the condition is false. It will print the odd. 1010. Value is
0.
0. And it is true. It will print the true
Yes.
result. 1011. Value is 1. 1 equals to 0. False. And it will print odd. Clear, guys? What is happening?
Yes.
What about others?
Yes.
Yes, Indra, it's clear.
Yes.
Yeah, it's clear.
It's clear, right? So now, guys, I will hold it here for the day, and I want you to go ahead and I want you to try the logic that we discussed. You already know how it works. You know how to write the condition now. We already created the similar kind of logic with the help of conditional column. Obviously, I will be creating the column tomorrow in the class because we are already at 9:20. I don't want to rush the things. You try to do it. Let's see who will be able to do it. This is a challenge from my end to you. Okay? Accepted or rejected?
Accepted.
Okay, that's fine. Let's see.
Sorry, can you
Like
come again? Can you come again? Sorry.
I'm saying, Ada, the logic that I was explaining you that you have to implement with the combination of reviews and rating columns. I want you to implement that now because you know right now how if statement works, how to write the if statement. And the logic you already know. We implemented it with the help of conditional column. So I want you to try that. There is no compulsion like you go ahead and spend 5 hours on that. Don't spend 5 hours. I'm saying just go ahead and spend 30 minutes to analyze and try to implement. If you are able to do that, nothing like that. But anyway, I will be covering it tomorrow. Getting it?
Okay, so it's to replicate the same for
Not
tomorrow.
replicate. You have to
Okay.
create a column. The
A
one that
column.
I told you, right? If reviews is 0 and rating is 0, then only it will be marked as ignored. Otherwise, it should not be marked as anything. It should be blank. And the
Okay.
rest logic is same. Got it, Ada?
Yes, yes. Regarding the file, the where can we find the file, the Power BI file?
Are you guys in the group that the team was sharing in the beginning? Let me go ahead and place it there.
Okay,
Are you in
okay.
PPT group?
I
PPT
am
session
on the
updates?
group. I think so.
I'm
PPD
not
session. Yes, yes, yes.
If you guys are not there in the group, just go ahead, go through the recording once again. In the beginning, there will be a slide where you have QR codes, right? So there will be a QR code on the left hand side. Just scan that and join the group.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So just go ahead right away after the class. I will send the data set again in the group, like at 10 a.m. my time. That is half an hour from now. Okay. So please make sure like all of you are in the group. So you can go ahead, take the data set from there and use it. Okay.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yes.
Cool. What else? Now, guys, we are into doubt session. Whatever doubts you have, you guys can go ahead. And the people who don't have any doubt, they can go ahead and drop. Okay. Canvas.
So the doubt uh, do we need to install that Power BI desktop? Is this for the free trial or do you will be providing the credential once we
You have to install the Power BI desktop, Nawaj, and you will be getting credentials. Credentials is not required for now. The moment we are working on Power BI desktop, it will be
Oh,
required for service. We will be giving you credentials. Don't worry about that, but you have to install Power BI desktop for working on the Power BI report development.
sure, sir.
So for now, we don't need credential. It's
You don't need. It will be needed
okay.
only when you will be moving it to the service. So
I
once
think
you will
Okay.
only
enroll, anyway, you guys will get it, the
I
Yeah,
think
credentials.
because I'll already install it, but it's keeping asking me credentials, so I will just
You can
ignore it,
you can
correct?
you can cancel that what to say pop-up and start working on the report.
Ah, okay, okay,
Okay. Just don't forget to save the PBX file. That's it. So
okay.
guys, have you observed what is the now can someone tell me what is the extension of the Power BI report that we are creating? Extension of the file which is getting created.
PBIX.
Dot PBX.
Dot
PBIX.
.pyx, right? Very good.
Indra, one question, like just a random one. What is the difference between Power BI Pro and the premium version?
This is licensing difference, Tushar.
Yes.
So like in premium, you will be getting some extra features like deployment pipelines, like data flows, like Power BI app. It is as good as like, are you using any OTT premium?
Mm-hmm.
Like which OTT app you are using?
Uh, Hotstar.
You are using Hotstar, right? If you go for super license,
Mm-hmm.
super pack, you will be getting, I guess, two devices, right?
Mm-hmm.
1080 pixel. And if you go to the premium one, so then you will be getting four devices, two television, two mobile phones, and for 4K video without
Mm-hmm.
ads, right? You will be getting some extra features. So similar to this. Now,
Okay.
what are those features that we will be discussing? Because as I told you already, like deployment pipelines and other stuff. So that we
Mm-hmm.
will be discussing.
Okay.
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 Pro is the basic license. Premium is the highest license which is available.
So, which product based and mostly the service based company usually use?
Look for development. Premium license is the recommended because development pipeline you have to build, right?
Mm-hmm.
But the users who will be using the Power BI report, they should have at least pro license. If you don't have pro license, you will not be able to view the Power BI report.
Okay, means if you want to work on individual basis, so pro license is means we require pro license, right?
Yes, pro license is the bare minimum thing which
Bare
is
minimum.
required, even if you want to work or you just want to view the report, which is already created by someone and you are the end user.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay. And power based service is altogether different thing where we need to deploy the project. We use
No,
power
Power
based
BI
service.
service is not a different thing. Licensing is always tagged to Power BI service only. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that is fine. Like I know, like you, all of these things are, it will come and it is fine. Just so you just keep in mind, like Power BI service is a cloud portal where you will be hosting the report and the licensing and all the features that I'm talking about, deployment pipeline, sharing the report, that will be done through Power BI service.
Mm-hmm.
And in Power BI service only, you will be able to use the extra features that you will be getting with premium license.
Okay, okay.
Okay?
Yeah. And one more question, like in
Yes.
the very initial, you told us to take a scan the QR code for the interview hub, right? So
Yeah.
once we get enrolled into paid version of your course, so as I'm seeing in that, so it is asking me for subscription 9,999 per month. So once we get enrolled here, so it will be free now for us.
Yeah, it will be free for you guys.
Okay.
Yes. You guys can go ahead, play
Yeah.
with artificial intelligence and give as many interviews as you want.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, thank you.
Sir, one more
In
question, sir. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sir, you have write that comments on this one odd and even column, right? Before that, you have written one. What is that, sir? Is that function of serial number, sir?
One. Where?
you have written that one before odd and even column name here, one.
Odd, even.
So what is that mean?
Sorry, I didn't.
Before that,
Here?
before that. No, no, sir. Here, before one you have written, right? What is that?
No,
That
no, this
I
is
function
the
think
name,
line.
that's all.
Line number.
line
Line
number,
number
right?
of the expression. I have
Okay.
not written it. This will come out of the box. Control A, this is what I have written, whatever I'm selecting. This is the
This
Okay.
one
line number of the
generated
expression.
automatically. This one generated automatically, right?
No, no, not generated or something. This is the line number of the expression. You can have multiple lines of code.
Okay.
Okay, it is like that. Look, now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay,
Hmm.
sir. I got it.
Got it? So this is
Oh,
just to make track like how many lines of expression you have written. Tell me, Sunita.
Indra, one more thing. So in job description in LinkedIn, I have seen some required qualifications. Power Effects,
Mhm.
JavaScript, JSON, or extending app functionalities. All these we are covering. You are going to cover all these
We
things.
will be covering everything, but not JavaScript exactly. Might be you have seen for some role where they are looking for multi-skill guy, but JavaScript we will not be covering. I will be covering how to work with JSON, how to read the format. Power FX is nothing but like for Power BI you have DAX, right? So similarly, if you have to write the business logic in Power Apps, Power Automate, you will be using expression language which is called as Power FX, and we will be
So
covering it in
so all
extensive
these
detail.
all these things are okay to understand for non-coding people, non-IT people, JSON and all.
Yeah, it is. JSON is nothing but it's just I would say the format of the data where you have key value pairs. That's it.
Okay.
I will make it simple. If you're not getting it, only thing is I want you to communicate with me. Just tell me like, sir, we did not got it. Please explain it once again or repeat. Okay, I will do it. I will make sure like all of you will get it.
Okay. Is there any possibility if in case we are not understanding in the class, then we can contact separately and we can meet? So like.
Look, I will not overpromise and underdeliver. Okay. So you can drop me a text whenever I have a time. I will definitely get in touch with you guys. And I do get in touch with the people.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Yes, regarding the assignments and the homework, where can we find it? It's just something that you're going to talk here, and we have to do because sometimes we can forget about the assignment. But if we have a place that's is written to remind us that we have assignments on homework, would be perfect.
Look, for assignments, like this is your assignment is like whatever we are implementing in the class that you have to implement. So you should not move to the next class until the previous class is not implemented. Okay. So the projects that we are having, so we are not having those old school projects like where I will go ahead and I will say, okay, like this is what you have to implement. Your button should be having green color or red color. So that we don't have those kind of projects. We will be having very open-ended projects. So I will go ahead and I will add, like we will discuss the project in the class and I will add that text in the course curriculum itself. Like if you are forgetting what we need to implement, you will be able to find it there. Okay.
Okay.
So basically in the course section, you will be getting it. I was showing you a curriculum section, right? I'm not
Yes.
sure how it will look for you guys because this is the instructor dashboard, right? So you will be
Okay.
having a section. Like let me go here. So here you have this thing, data sets, right? I have added the data set. I will add one more section where I will say Power BI project, Power Apps project, Power, I would say model driven app project. So you will be able to find there. Okay.
Oh, nice one. Yeah.
Cool. What else?
Indra, in WhatsApp, they have shared the brochure for the Power Platform course. In the end, it was mentioned as Microsoft Fabric also. Are we going to cover that in this course? Or what?
Guys, don't get carried away with the brochure. I think it needs some rework to be done. It is the old brochure. So we are not covering the power fabric with you, guys. That is different batch altogether. Might be their team has shared some wrong brochure or something. If something you got like that, please share it with me or share it in the group once again so that we can go ahead and get it rectified.
Okay, Indra, it was shared in the WhatsApp group PPD session.
Okay, I will have a look on that and I'll get it rectified.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, cool. What else? All good? Sorry. So, guys, we have 5 minutes over. If you have nothing, we can close the class and we will connect again tomorrow. Again, like tomorrow will be the final preview session where we can discuss doubts again, and then you guys can consider enrolling. And I think the takeaway for me is I need to get in touch with team and update the browser. And in 30 minutes, I will be sharing the data set again in the group. So yeah,
Thank you.
I have a
Thank you,
question.
everyone.
thanks. Yeah, go ahead. Who has question?
Like,
Please go ahead.
it's my first class, so did I miss something, or after 5 days, the class will be starting, like from the course will be
Yeah. So
start, or
Mandeep,
it's already?
yeah, let me clarify it. You missed 3 sessions. So I
Yeah.
want you to go ahead and watch all those 3 sessions. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Those are very basic in nature. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
after these 5 classes, there will be no repetition. The next class will be the sixth class. So the
Okay.
people who will enroll, like there for them, this is the sixth class, and people who will not enroll, for them like
It's a first
five free
class.
classes only. Yeah.
Okay.
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 Cool.
Thank you.
Can you
Nice.
please share the links of the previous classes? I don't know where they are.
I
Yeah.
will share, sir. I will share in a moment.
Okay, thank you.
And you will also share the like the what we are going to cover in this course.
No, that
Yeah,
is
sure.
already shared, ma'am.
That is
Okay.
already shared, but we will go ahead and we will work on the browser once again. We will get it updated and we will update you will get updated browser in 1 2 days. Okay. 1 or 2
Okay.
days.
Okay.
Cool. Cool. What else? All good? Other than that? Okay, guys, going through the room for one last time. Anyone else? Anything? Cool, guys. In that case, taking the silence as no. Take care. Have a good day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.